Frankincense has long been recognized for its value, especially as an essential oil. Its powerful aroma is distinctly known and is prized for its many health benefits. Distilled from the boswellia tree, it has been used for thousands of years. While the resin from the tree possesses many different properties, it is most highly regarded for the oil it contains. Often referred to as the king of oil, it's highly revered for everything from digestion to beauty. It's truly one of nature's most valued gifts. Rich in alpha-pinene, frankincense is soothing and extremely beneficial for skin health. More significantly than any one single compound, however, frankincense is rich in monoterpenes, which have a wide array of benefits, making this oil effective for a variety of uses. I believe this is one of the primary reasons frankincense offers appropriate cell protection and support. Its broad-spectrum activity can support cells and system function throughout the entire body. Frankincense is for everyone. Our bodies are in a constant state of challenge and resolve physiologically. Everyday circumstances can be unique as well as repetitive, and our body experiences changing health needs almost daily. Because frankincense is multifunctional, it is an oil that is foundational and one you most likely need on a daily basis. One of the keys to successful usage of any essential oil is consistency. Oftentimes, smaller amounts routinely is much more effective. Taking advantage of the value of this oil can be as easy as diffusing or breathing in the aroma. It is potent yet mild and can be used internally and topically. I recommend that you use the method you are most comfortable with. Most use frankincense for its positive effects on emotional and cognitive function. It even helps to support appropriate neurochemical responses and the endocrine system as a whole. One of my favorite reasons for using frankincense, however, is its protective support to cells and helping the body to manage healthy inflammatory responses. It makes sense why frankincense is so diverse and beneficial to nearly everyone. Okay, everyone. It's even effective for soothing agitated muscles and tissues. I believe there are limitless ways that doTERRA's certified pure therapeutic grade frankincense can enrich your health and wellness. Here are just a few simple ways to start using one of my favorite oils today. Diffuse frankincense to create feelings of peace, satisfaction, and an overall sense of mental wellness. Aromatic use of frankincense can promote healthy lung function. Take a few drops internally to promote the health of your liver, digestive, and urogenital functions. Take internally to support the whole of your musculoskeletal system, which includes your joints, muscles, ligaments, structural tissues, including bones. Frankincense will provide the extra protection you need to withstand the day-to-day stresses of life and the normal aging process. A few drops twice a day can support healthy cell function. In a capsule or directly under the tongue is a great option. For younger children, I love using frankincense on the bottom of the feet. I believe this oil can benefit the entire family. In addition, applying the oil to the bottom of the feet can stimulate relaxation and balance the mood. Use frankincense as a part of your daily beauty routine, and it can help to reduce the appearance of blemishes and rejuvenate the skin. Frankincense, when used in this way, provides direct support to the underlying tissues of the skin, making the skin more radiant and resilient to detrimental health effects. There are literally dozens of species of boswellia trees, but there generally are only 4 which produce true frankincense resin, which the oil comes from. doTERRA uses 3 of these species, Carterii, Freriana, and Sacra, to distill a unique certified pure therapeutic grade frankincense, which is exclusive in its benefits, quality, and purity. Frankincense truly is the king of oils, so when you are in doubt as to which oil to use, make doTERRA frankincense your first choice and most trusted choice.